Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency within the Money Manager budgeting tool. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Money Manager budgeting application on your device. And when you open it up, you will directly be taken into the transactions page. Now from this page, if you wish to change the currency that you are using, just click on the More option at the bottom right corner and then click on Configuration. Now within this page, underneath Configuration, you will see your main currency as well as your sub-currency settings. You can change your main currency by simply tapping on whichever is currently in use and then click on Change at the top right corner. From here, you may choose from various different currencies that are available within the app. After choosing the currency that you would like to change into, you will be asked whether you would like to change your data or retain the current one. If you would like to use your current figures, then choose the first option. You will now be told that the recent exchange rate will be applied and your data so far will adjust accordingly. Click on the Yes button for this process to begin, and now your currency will be changed right away. Click on the OK button, and now when you go back, you will now see that your budget is displayed by your chosen currency, and you can now see it within your income, your expense as well as total. And this also includes your stats page, where you can now see your newly chosen currency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within your Money Manager budgeting app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.